Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Atmosphere Edit. I'm Allison Breen in Portland, Oregon. That's Emily Hoffman in Helena, Montana. And we're your leading source for authentic Pilates on YouTube. We're so excited you're here. Today, we're just going to, again, have fun and feel good in our body. So no specific order. We're just going to move and feel our best. We're going to start with taking our feet as wide as our shoulders. Relax your arms and start rolling your shoulders forward 3 times. And then reverse it. And when you're done with those shoulder rolls, just look over your left shoulder with ease and your right shoulder with ease. Just going side to side. Do one more to each side and just grow tall. Start to really activate your body to be tall. And if you're like me in the 5'2" club, you're really trying to grow tall. Look up to the ceiling with an easy chest and then down. And back up. And down. And then look over your right shoulder with control. Circle down and around to the left. And then look forward, stomach in. Look to the left, down and around. Look forward, and then take your arms, just relax like jelly noodles by your sides and just twist side to side. Just twisting. You might even feel your back adjust or something just feel really nice and easy on your muscles. Good. Bringing your feet together, roll your shoulders back, take a genie arm position, and let's start marching our legs out. Let's march. Pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up, stomach in, and we're going for a nice quick pace, but you do your best at home. Remember, right now, we're just getting energy and blood flow throughout our entire body. Now, I want you to pause with one knee into your chest. I don't care which one. And now squeeze your toes in like you're grabbing something, and then spread them apart. And squeeze them in, and spread them apart. Last time, squeeze them in, spread them apart, place the leg down, start marching again. We march and we march and we march. And you can even switch your other arm in your genie position so you're a little even over there. Good. And then hold your next leg up and hold it when you're ready. Pick it up and stomach in. We squeeze the toes in and let them go out. Squeeze the toes in. Let them grow out, growing tall. Stomach is engaged. Squeeze it in and up. And let it go. Start marching again. Arms out to the sides. March. March. Now start taking those knees out to those armpits. And out, and out, and out, and out, and out, and out, and rest. Good. We're going to do the finger drags of the castanets. Just hold your hands out so they can see Emily in Pilates stance. We're going to drag the finger one at a time, going to the wrist, crossing the thumb around last. And we go up and up and up and up and up and up and around. Good. We go up and up and up. And you're trying to do one finger at a time, and then the thumb crosses over. Do it one more finger, each one through the hands, and then start shaking your hands out vigorously. And just shake them. And shake them until I tell you not to. And as you're shaking, check in with the rest of your body. Can I grow tall here? Can I get my hips over the arches and my shoulders over my hips? Keep shaking, vigorous shaking, and then let them relax. Take your right arm out and stretch your wrist back. Place it down. Stretch the other way. And do it on the other hand. Stretch it down. And good. Now from here, roll your shoulders back, lift your arms up shoulder height. We're going to take a chest expansion. Inhale, pull your arms back behind you. Look right, look left, look forward, and pick it up. Inhale, go back, look left, look right, look forward, pick it up. Again, inhale, pull back, hold the breath as you look one direction, look the other direction, look forward, and pick it up. Last time, we pull back, grow taller as you inhale, look to the left, look to the right, Look forward, exhale all the air out. Now lift your arms up really tall and take a back bend. And then come straight up, circle your arms up, 1 and 2 and 3. Stay here, take another back bend. And go again, circle up and around, 1 and 2 and 3. Now hook your thumbs over your head and side bend to the right and really pull on that left thumb. And come up and grow tall, go to the other side. And relax, take your legs as wide as your shoulders. We're gonna do those arm circles again. Ready? We're gonna circle up, 1. We're gonna do the dive through, 2 and 3. And dive through your legs, bend your knees, go, 1, 2, 3. Come up, hands stay apart. We go, 1 and 2 and 3 and dive. Go, 1 and 2. Swing it. And 3. Last time we pick it up and go, 1 and 2 and 3 and dive it through, 1 and 2 and 3. Nice work today, you guys. We hope that we showed you in this video that you can bring Pilates into fun movement that is not always really feeling strict. Pilates should be fun even in the strict moments. If you have any questions about this workout or any other workout or want a personalized recommendation for your body, send us an email at missyouredit.com, or you can even DM us on Instagram. Have a great day.